The NHS has given me a huge amount of personal opportunity. So, I have studied for degrees, I have worked in different parts of the system, both in hospitals, in primary care, in local authorities, with the voluntary sector, and I don't think there's anywhere else where I would have had the opportunities that I've had, but also the potential to be able to feel really positive about everything we do and proud of both our staff and how we work.
NHS 75 years, happy birthday to the NHS, particularly our colleagues, our partners in the NHS. I am so proud of everything that you've achieved and the fact that you have the determination now to understand that health isn't just about what happens in hospitals, it's about what happens in people's lives and in people's homes, and together we can offer so many opportunities.
So I think for me, I feel the NHS is in my DNA. My nan was part of the Windrush generation, and she was very proud of working for the NHS as an auxiliary nurse, and she always just tell me she was invited by the Queen.
I'm proud every day to put an NHS lanyard on. I've been in the NHS for 34 years. I started as a student nurse and just been appointed as South West London ICB CNO. I wouldn't ever want a career in any other institute or organisation than the NHS.
I feel glad that having worked in the NHS for nearly 25 years now, so I've been in it for a third of its lifetime. I've seen it as a student doctor living and working in South West London when I trained at St George's, and seeing the incredible research opportunities that have led to medication changes, service changes, technology changes. It's a completely different beast from the way I used to learn about healthcare and the way I now deliver healthcare.
If I can contribute to ensuring that the NHS is well placed to continue to serve local communities for another 75 years, I simply can't think of a better thing to be doing, and I think it's a real privilege to have a role in doing that.
The NHS is something in the UK we should feel so proud of. We have amazing staff that work in the NHS, and we should really never forget that and always celebrate it, because it's such a great thing to be able to have access to healthcare.